Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to contact Instagram about a problem you're having while using the app. The first step before you contact Instagram about a problem, you should always restart your phone. Check your internet connection. And uninstall or reinstall the application on your phone. Keep in mind that you should always make sure you're running the latest version of the Instagram app as well as the latest version of your phone or your tablet's operating system. If all those steps fail, and if you think you found a technical problem on Instagram, you can report it from within the app. To report something that's not working, open up your Instagram app, then tap on your profile page. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right of the screen, then tap on Settings, then tap on Help. Finally, tap on Report a Problem. Here you have three options. You can report spam or abuse, you can send a feedback, or report a problem. Tap on Report a Problem. Now in the next screen, make sure to include as much details about the problem as possible in your report. Information like the kind of phone or tablet you were using and what you were doing when the problem occurred may help them address the issue. You even have an option to add a screenshot to show a feature which is not appearing on your app. Once you're happy with your report, then you can press Submit. It can take them 24 hours to 2 weeks to reply to your case. However, this does not guarantee a response. In order to know if the issue was fixed, you would have to try the task you were having issues with. And that is how to contact Instagram about a problem you are having while using the app. Hope you guys found this useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more social media tips and tricks. We'll see you in the next one.